This is a bad idea to come to Best Buy. I make some bad decisions here buying impulse things. So you know what I'm going to do? Since there's a line, I'm going to make an excuse and I'm going to practice discipline because I'm not trying to spend any impulsive money over here. No, sir. No, sir. 33 degrees, man. It's way too hot today. One thing about discipline is that I did my analysis for the high time frames on GJ, EJ, Gold, UCGPY, sent it to my groups. Now, I'm not going to look at the charts every 5 minutes. You know, I did my analysis. I know what's going on, and now I just gotta wait for 7 p.m. What's this? It's 24 and a half hours left. Just like wait for 7 p.m. and see what happens. If things align up, I'm gonna try to take a trade. If not, then I'm just gonna wait for Monday. Because this is the market open, and it's not important for you to take a trade. Trust me, it's not important. Most people lose money on the first 2 days of trading days, like Sunday and Monday, like Sunday Asian Open and Monday like the NY Open. So just gotta relax. If you broke your plan a bunch of times last week, just create a new one. Start fresh. 10 pips on the charts and you're still nil though. Born as an orphan, kid still feeling like a mofo. Sports getting bored, can the nerd doing a chose. Yo GJ, your hoes, my goal. Ain't gonna do no foul, wipe your cum with the towel. Any bitches wanna play, will be devoured. Yo cub, stand back, get back, and I'm high on towers. Finger ring, dancing with hula hoops, cream pops, gunshots, everybody drop dead. My anger is fed, if you move I'll pack you with my lead. Door open, body drops, kill the one who came in. Oh, it's Sean Lee, fans going crazy, lady dropped her baby.